was like, my mask looks weird.
So it's another very beautiful day today, and today we're at Disneyland. Are you guys ready? Yay! Thanks, Erin. We're on the long escalator right now. On the way in, we still have a long walk ahead of us.
Which way is it?
It's not rainy right now though.
I know.
Which is nice. Wait, you have the umbrella, right?
We're all prepared. We're on our way. We're walking. It's a pretty far walk, and we really wanted to come to Disney for Christmas because it has like such different vibes, and I'm really excited to see Main Street like all decked out in like holiday. But what ride are you most excited for, baby?
The bobsled one.
Because it was closed last time when we came in July.
Never got to go.
I know. Maybe I'll go. We'll see. And I'm really excited for Thunder Mountain. All right, Kurt, what ride are you excited for?
I don't know. What's the one again?
The bobsled one.
Aaron?
What rides you right here?
The bobsled one.
The bobsleds.
Last time when we were at California Adventure, only Luke and Aaron went on Incredicoaster because me and Kurt were too scared.
Losers.
So we got our matching sweaters.
And only Bree and I are proud of them.
Yeah, look at the boys. We can show the boys too. Nice. The fit.
Matching masks and matching.
And the boys. Alright, let's go. Tickets. We got Pixar Pier, Cars, Star Wars, and a Magic Castle one.
But we're at Disneyland.
I know. Disneyland times California Adventure. We're waiting in line for some pictures right now.
I was like, my mask looks weird, and it's here.
It goes around the park. He's waving to us. Looking on at us because we made him happy. Wait, are you filming?
Yeah, I am.
I'm so excited, Brie.
Thank you.
Excited.
Thank you. Thank you, Aaron. We're,
I really
It's the Christmas vibes, guys. Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow, look at the Christmas.
Wow.
Only one guy there. So I just jumped on it. Nope. Yeah, get off.
We're waiting in line to take a picture with Mr. Walt Disney and Mickey right there. You know, me and Aaron, we were joking that we were gonna come back during Christmas, and we actually did.
Was that a vlog?
I don't even know. I think we were saying it. Yeah, we
I
were.
don't think it was on.
But we had a lot of fun last year in July. I mean, last 5 months.
Kurt wanted to come back and he didn't even want to go in the first place.
I know.
Just saying.
He texted me and was like, "Let's go to Disney," and I'm like,
Did you really?
"Yeah."
You liar. I was trying to get him to go for the longest time when before we went.
And then I got Luke to come. Yay.
I'm so tired.
We only got 4 hours of sleep yesterday. So tired.
Yay.
Tired, but it's worth it because it's Disneyland. So right now it is currently, what time is it? 10:30, and we're gonna go on our first ride. I think we're going on a jungle cruise. So let's head to Frontierland. Real life jungle cruise.
As told by okay, right. Contact if I don't forget.
For the next 3 months. And folks, please remember, remain seated, keep your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all all times and watch your children. Remember, I am your skipper, not a babysitter. Now, folks, we have entered the Amazon rainforest. It's actually more of a mist forest, though. So some of you, I think this must be your lucky day. I have never seen this many elephants in a bathing pool before. This is we actually made it this time.
So it just started raining, so we took out the umbrella. And there's also snow here at the Winnie the Pooh. No, it's raining. We turned into eggs.
Entry is subject.
I'm not an egg.
You're an actual egg because this color. I'm not an actual egg.
See, it's next available.
Can I figure out if we're getting the passes?
Yeah, I think they are.
So I'm just
Seeing if it's worth it to get a pass. So Disney has this thing called Genie Pass or something.
Because they replaced the free fast pass.
So you have to pay $20 per person to get like a fast pass. So we're all getting this. I know. So we're gonna go to Winnie the Pooh first. It matches our masks. Oh, it's not focused. Oh, there you go. Winnie the Pooh ride with the Winnie the Pooh mask.
Yay! Except I don't like this ride because it freaks me out.
A little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Hang on tightly, Roo.
We're back outside. Look at the rain. Oh, you can't see it on camera. But it's raining right now. Kurt's in a poncho. My brother left Aaron, so
Yeah,
I
now
got
I'm
her.
what?
I got her.
Yeah, thanks, Bree. My real boyfriend.
Of course.
The only reason I'm with Curtis still.
The Lee siblings with the ponchos. Kurt only bought 2 of them. It's okay.
You two are so weak.
We are weak.
I could never use a poncho.
Luke has a rain jacket.
on the left
too.
side.
What?
My-
A soft boiled egg.
So that was really fun. Oh my gosh, my hair's a mess. But we only took from getting in line to finishing the ride was only 15 minutes. So Genie Pass, whatever. Oh my goodness, my hair. Definitely worth it.
You only can use it once per ride per day though, so
That's pretty good
use it
still.
up for 10 minutes. Which means that if we go back again, we have
To wait in line. Luke really wants to go to Splash Mountain, so we're gonna
It's been
go.
a 5-minute wait, and last time I went, I literally stayed on the ride.
He did. Me, Kurt, and Aaron went on
Because there
Thunder
was no
Mountain.
line, so I didn't have to get off. They're like, you want to stay on? I'm like, okay. My toe is wet.
I'm just gonna go out of your thing. Hello. Where's Kurt? I need to talk to Kurt. How do you feel about this?
It's for your boyfriend.
Same. Are you excited?
Yeah.
My backpack's wet.
I did this for him. I did this for you. You love me?
Can you do it again?
My butt's wet too.
Look at poor Aaron's pants. Oh no. And then Luke's hair is entirely soaked. And then my sock is so wet inside here. Kurt looks okay.
I'm good.
Unlike last time. We survived, Kurt.
Yeah. It wasn't that bad.
Yeah,
but
I
you still got
expected
wet.
worse. Yeah, Aaron got the worst. Ah, my sock is so soggy right now. Oh my goodness.
Get a free sheet.
We're gonna go to the trains right now. Trains.
Smaller guests away from vehicle opening.
Smaller guests. This is the train ride.
We just ride all the way around.
Why? This is our break right now.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, the last outpost, sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below.
Extra Parmesan ties.
Yes. So it's currently 2:30 and we finished 5 rides including the train. And right now we're at Alien Pizza Planet and this is like Kurt's favorite pasta. It's like Parmesan. Look at that. Ooh, extra Parmesan. Yummy.
Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on the... Escorted, determine your rank. Don't forget to holster those glasses.
I like these.
Why is that one black?
Wait, tell the vlog, what did you say? Which one should we get? He said
That's for me and that's for her.
Ursula and the Beast. Lovely. Cold brew with sweet cream and Cocoa Puffs. Taste test. You're eating cereal. We found you.
So magic. The Space Mountain's already from like.
Take this moment, memorize these colors you are standing on. They'll be vital to your interrogation process.
Prisoner transfer. Did it work? Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad. Attention, all resistance personnel.
So much fun!
SR5, you too.
We're at Splash Mountain because it's a 5-minute wait and we're already in the front. Look,
I'm only doing this because I love him.
you have to figure out a pose for them.
Our other picture didn't go through, but we took a picture of it, so. We didn't get wet in the back this time. We sat at 5 and 6.
Probably 4 or 5 minutes.
Yeah, 4, there's no one in front of me, and then I'm in 5 and Luke's in 6, and we didn't get wet.
Keep still. I'm studying in lab.
So it's 8 o'clock right now, and we finally stopped for dinner. We got some clam chowder, and that is some beef that the boys are eating. It's so rainy, guys. Okay, so we just finished eating, and the tentative plan. The tentative plan for the rest of the night is Big Thunder Mountain before we go to Indiana Jones, because we got a genie pass or lightning pass. It's a genie pass to Indiana Jones in like half an hour. So we're gonna hit up a few more rides for the rest of the night. How are you feeling, Erin?
Pretty good, actually.
Yeah?
I'm dry now, so.
She ate a good amount. We ate a good amount.
Yeah,
and
satisfied.
Satisfied. I could eat more actually, but
Snacks.
yeah, snacks. We'll see.
Feet and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you.
Fine.
Without hesitation?
Yeah. One last churro before we go. Oh my gosh, that's a huge bite, baby. Cheers. So we made it back to the car. It's 11:26 and we're so tired. I just looked at the steps. It was 23,650 steps.
My hair's so tangled.
Yeah, and I was not mentally prepared for how hard it would be to Disneyland in the rain.
We thought we were prepared.
Yeah, nope. Everything's soaked, like, you know, like just everything. So we're gonna go grab some food and just chill out for the rest of the night. But before I end the vlog, okay, what was everybody's favorite ride? Aaron first.
Mine was probably Small World because they decorated.
Yeah, it was so pretty. Yeah. Kurt?
Head east toward Westfall Road.
Bobsled? Yeah, Kurt liked bobsled. Babe?
The Splash Mountain.
Oh. We went twice. I went just for him. I think my favorite was Space Mountain. Yeah, that one was fun.
Yeah, that was good.
But thank you so much for watching this vlog and look out for future Disney vlogs.
You think?
We'll see. But yeah, we went twice this year. It's so much fun. Summer and winter, such a drastic difference. The holiday vibes though.
We hit the two extremes of like
I
weather.
know, yeah, we did. But anyways, it's great to be in California. Love being here. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and always
Don't forget to live a life you can't put into words.
Peace.